Jiangsu Weihua Marine Heavy Industry is located in Lucy Port Economic Development Zone of Qidong City, situated in an important area of the Yangtze River Economic Belt. Weihua Marine spans area of 66.67 hectare with an investment of $1.5 billion, serving as a high-end intelligent port equipment manufacturing base. From here, Weihua people venture into the deep blue sea and embrace the world. Weihua Marine boasts a 180,000 square meter manufacturing workshop and a 240,000 square meter assembly site, with a wharf shoreline of 809 meters, including three 50,000-ton berths capable of berthing multiple special transport vessels simultaneously. The annual throughput of the wharf is expected to reach 1.58 million tons, able to meet the overall production, hoisting, and RORO loading onto ships for the shipment of various large and super-large workpieces. Weihua Marine connects to the Yangtze River and the sea, radiating globally. Weihua Marine acts as the vanguard of Weihua Group's globalization strategy, integrating international, digital, intelligent, and green development concepts into its R&D and manufacturing systems, and has become an intelligent complete system solution provider, integrating port machinery, marine engineering equipment, and wharf services. Our technical team has successfully overcome key technical challenges in the design, manufacturing, and installation of ultra-large tonnage gantry cranes, smoothly undertaking the construction of the world's first 3,600-ton double-girder gantry crane and China's first 3,000-ton single-girder gantry crane, among other major leading products. We have successively delivered high-quality projects, such as 2,000-ton and 1,000-ton gantry crane, 2,500-ton bridge grab ship unloader, automated container gantry cranes, automated quay container cranes, 4,500-ton per hour stacker reclaimer, and many other key projects. Weihua Marine has created complete handling solutions for major domestic shipbuilding enterprises, with dozens of new Chinese-style intelligent cranes smoothly delivered to customers. Weihua Marine contributing to the world's first super shipyard in the global shipbuilding industry. Currently, Weihua's port machinery widely serves many important domestic ports and international clients across Europe, America, Asia, safeguarding the logistics handling of the world's golden waterways. In the future, Weihua will seize the overlapping opportunities of high-quality belt and road cooperation, the Yangtze River Economic Belt, and the Yangtze River Delta Integration Strategy, continuously drive our high-quality development with new quality productive forces. Weihua aims to create another world-class brand in the high-end equipment manufacturing industry. Weihua makes the world easier.